In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io LinkedIn integration effectively. The first thing you'll want to do to get started is head over to the Apollo.io homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to explore the integrations and features waiting for you. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sequences option. It's your key to orchestrating automated actions across platforms. You'll need to click on Sequences, which will guide you to create and manage various outreach activities. Now that you're in the Sequences section, your next move is to find and click on Create a Sequence. This is where the magic begins, allowing you to define the steps your sequences will follow. When you're ready, you'll see an option to start from scratch. Go ahead and click that to craft your sequence tailored to your unique needs. With the basics set, it's time to set schedules. This involves choosing the timing for each step within your sequence. It's essential to plan your outreach thoughtfully to ensure maximum engagement. Once you've set your schedule, you'll need to type sequence name to keep things organized. A clear and descriptive name will help you quickly identify your sequence later. Satisfied with your settings, it's time to bring the sequence to life by clicking on Create. After it's created, you'll want to build out your contacts. Click on Contacts to add recipients to your sequence, and you can choose to add them through prospect search, a CSV file, or an existing list. Selecting the right contacts is crucial to achieve impactful results. Next, head over to the editor. This is where you can customize each part of the sequence to fit your strategy. Begin by adding steps into your sequence. A great starting point is clicking on Add a Step and then LinkedIn Send Connection Request. Following this, you'll want to click on Schedule Task and Set Task Priority. The priority level can help manage your tasks effectively within a busy schedule. When it comes to messaging, you get to type out your LinkedIn message, making sure it aligns with your outreach objectives. Once set, add another step by choosing LinkedIn Send Message. Scheduling tasks appropriately here is as important as crafting your message. Now, enhance engagement by adding the step LinkedIn View Profile. This action can increase visibility and interest. Don't forget to click Schedule Task and set the priority for this task too. Further, boost interaction by selecting LinkedIn Interact with Post. Keep it organized by setting a task priority, as you did before. Finally, once you've crafted your sequence with all the necessary steps and tasks, be sure to click Save Changes to ensure your work is secured. The last crucial step is to activate the sequence to make it live and operational. By following these instructions, you'll be able to leverage Apollo.io's LinkedIn integration effectively, enhancing your outreach and engagement seamlessly. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy networking.